This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Where we want to educate you about our market, empower you to make wise decisions, and help you engage with our expert contributors. Trace, I know you have a story you want to share with everyone today, so let's just talk about it. Tell us what's been happening over there.
Well, I want to talk a little bit about any title company, I should say, being a third disinterested party. A lot of times we come up on situations where we ask for information from either a buyer or a seller, and they feel that we're asking for too much or we're asking for their firstborn,
right?
Things like that, to make things difficult. And in all honesty, we are not making things difficult. We're actually protecting both parties. And the example I want to give you, and maybe something that people can understand, is if you go into escrow and you open up an escrow or a transaction buying a house, okay? And for some reason, the roof leaked more than you thought, or something happened where you're going to be able to cancel within your due diligence or even after. Doesn't really matter when you cancel. It is imperative, no matter what the offer contract states, that the title company gets signed cancellation instructions by both parties.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
Easy, right?
Yep.
And in these cancellations instructions, it says escrow to be canceled, earnest money to go to
the buyer or the seller.
Correct.
Or some division thereof, perhaps.
Absolutely.
Right.
In this particular instance, both parties felt that they deserved the earnest money.
So in the business, we call that an earnest money dispute.
Correct. And this was a high-end home. Okay, so it was a lot of money as the earnest money, and we were holding it. And my very important point of this whole story is make sure you're working with a reputable
right.
Real estate agent, Brown Blankfeld Group.
Yes.
That will make sure they watch everything that they do on your behalf. In this particular instance, both parties were fighting. It was a complete nightmare, still is. When it's at court now, and even we get drawn in and threatened to, we're going to sue you.
Right.
Sue all day long. However, we still have to have written authorization. When you are purchasing a home and you're with your realtors, you do an offer and acceptance, right? Purchase contract.
Yep.
That's between the buyer and the seller. It has nothing to do with the title company.
Right.
When you open up escrow, we have our instructions. Now that is our contract. So we get talked to sternly enough saying, but it was in our contract that says you can release the earnest money.
Right.
Well, that contract is not between us. It's between you and the seller,
you didn't
or
sign
you and
the
the
contract.
buyer. Correct.
You didn't sign the contract.
Exactly.
And you have procedures and policies in place that you need to adhere to.
Correct.
Right.
And the other thing is, with that being said, this is just one of many examples of us asking for particular information. We're not going to do anything unless it's agreed upon by both parties at any time. So we're not sneaking. Your money is held in a non-interest bearing account. So it's not like we're trying to make any interest off of what's in our account, because when and if a file closes, that particular account has to be balanced to the penny. There has to be a zero balance. We don't get to say, oh, we made a few dollars off of you holding your money.
Here's a little extra.
Yeah, and it's funny, like we laugh but we know it, but I will tell you, so many people don't, and that's what they think we're doing.
Yeah.
You just want to hold our money because you're making money off of it.
Yeah.
Which is definitely
and you can't
not the
make
case.
money off of it.
No, not at all.
You're not even allowed to make money off of that.
This has been Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Thanks for listening. And remember to tune in every Tuesday morning at 9 a.m. on 101.5 FM, 720 a.m. KDAWN.